Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Adobe Reader for PDFs on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for this video, and I'm going to navigate over to google.com. In the Google, you want to type in Adobe Reader and hit enter. One of the best matches should say Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Just left click on that link to open up the application here. Now if you have any optional offers, you're more than welcome to deselect them as well. And if you want to disable the Chrome extension add-on, you just uncheck this box to prevent it from installing it. And then once you're done looking through all this, just left click on the Install Now button right here in yellow. This will begin the process of downloading the application, so please be patient. This will take a couple minutes to run. The executable itself looks like it has finished downloading, so I'm just going to left click on it once to open it up, and then I'm going to left click on Run here. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Okay, so once it's done, if you want to keep this box checked to launch Adobe Acrobat Reader, you're more than welcome to. So I'm just going to left click on Finish here, and that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.